When we first start a double-digit multiplication problem, we want to start in the ones place in the 25 for this problem. The next step is to put the 2 tens from the 25 above the 3 tens in the 35. After doing this, we need to multiply the 5 ones to the 3 tens, adding the 2 tens from the 25 we got earlier. This will add up to 17, which we would write down next to the 5. Next, we want to place a 0 in our ones place to help us remember that we have used up all of our ones from our 25. This is a good idea to have so that way you don't miss add later on. The next steps are similar to that of the first two. We want to multiply the 2 tens that we have had in the 25 and multiply that to the 5 ones in the 35. 2 times 5 is 10. We want to put the 1 above the 3, just so that way we remember. We're almost done. We need now to multiply the 2 tens in the 25 to the 3 tens and add the 1 tens that we had gotten from 2 times 5. The outcome, or sum, I should say, is that of 7. Finally, the last step we need to do is to add up the 2 answers we got from the ones being multiplied and the tens being multiplied. The answers should equate to 875.
Mathematics is the language of the universe. It is the foundation of all science, upon which rests the building of modern civilization. It is the cornerstone for the technological advancement of the human race. Isn't that exciting? 14.
92.
Columbus sailed the ocean blue?
Wacko?
Yes, Miss Flamingo?
When an apple fell out of the tree and landed on Isaac Newton, what did it teach him?
To sit someplace else?
It taught him gravity, which he defined using mathematics. Dot?
Yes, Miss Flamingo.
If you have 10 cookies and someone takes away half of them, what will they have?
A broken hand.
No!
They will if they try to take my cookies.
They're not trying to take your cookies.
Well, that's what you said.
That's not what I... Oh, forget it. Just forget it, all right?
All right.
Now, where was I?
I don't know. You told me to forget.
Today's lesson is multiplication. Yakko?
Yes, Miss Flamingo.
I want you to multiply 47 times 83.
Sounds like a song cue to me.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, yes, it does.
Hit it, hurry!
7 times 3 is 21, which, as you know, is just 2 tens plus 1, and so we put the 1 right here, and we carry the 2 1 left to the top of the tens place right next door, and we put it on top of the number 4, which is really 4 tens that we multiply, times 3 in the ones place, and that's why we now have 12, which we add to the 2 that we carried to get 14. See how easy that was? Oh, it's multiplication, it's math education. Hey, Albert Einstein said that it's so easy to do. It's simple, it's breezy, it's fun and it's easy. Just buy a calculator, you can multiply too. And now the second digit. 7 times 8 is 56, which, as you know, is just 5 tens plus 6, and so we put the 6 right here in the tens place left of the 1, carry the 5 like we did before to the top of the tens place next to the 4, then multiply that 4 times 8 to get 32. See, isn't this great? Then we add the 5 that we carried before to get 37, then add once more straight down to get 3,901. Isn't this swell? Oh, let's give multiplication a standing ovation. Isaac Newton multiplied a couple times 2. Times 2, times 2, times 2. It's simple, it's breezy, it's fun and it's easy. So buy a calculator and study this stuff later. Maybe someday you can multiply numbers 2, 3, 4, 5. Recess!
Let's try this one on your own. Your question is 24 times 36. Let's see how many of you got this correct. The answer is 864.